From the cosmic perspective, our planet is a serene blue marble, adrift in the vast expanse of space. It spins gracefully on its axis, completing a full rotation every 24 hours. This celestial dance is a constant, a fundamental part of our existence. Imagine Earth as a delicate top, spinning effortlessly, a symbol of cosmic harmony. Its rotation is a ballet, a graceful pirouette in the grand theater of the cosmos. This constant spin is not just a spectacle, it's vital to life as we know it. It dictates our days and nights, governs the weather patterns, and influences the very currents of our oceans. For millennia, life on Earth has evolved and flourished under the predictable rhythm of this celestial waltz. But what if, in a cosmic instant, the music stopped? What if our planet's graceful spin were to abruptly cease? Imagine the unimaginable. Earth comes to a sudden, grinding halt. The consequences would be nothing short of catastrophic. Everything on the Earth's surface, from skyscrapers to pebbles, is moving with the planet's rotation at incredible speeds, up to 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. This inertia would be devastating. The laws of physics are relentless. An object in motion wants to stay in motion. Imagine the oceans no longer held in check by the Earth's rotation, surging forward with unimaginable force. Imagine cities once bustling with life, instantly swallowed by colossal tidal waves. The planet would shudder, its crust groaning under the immense stress of the sudden stop. This is not a gradual change. It is an abrupt and chaotic upheaval of the very fabric of our world. Buildings would crumble, trees would be uprooted, and entire landscapes would be reshaped in the blink of an eye. The very air we breathe, still caught in the momentum of the Earth's previous rotation, would transform into winds of unimaginable fury, scouring the planet's surface with hurricane-force power. The delicate balance of our planet, so carefully maintained for eons, would be shattered in an instant. In the aftermath of this sudden stop, our planet would be almost unrecognizable. Coastlines, once familiar landmarks, would be redrawn by the unrelenting force of the oceans. Cities like New York, Tokyo, and London, hubs of human civilization, would be submerged beneath hundreds of feet of water. The once familiar outlines of continents would be lost beneath the waves, transformed into submerged remnants of a world gone by. The very air we breathe would be almost unbreathable, choked with dust and debris from the planet-wide destruction. The delicate balance of our atmosphere, responsible for regulating our climate and protecting us from harmful radiation, would be thrown into disarray. The once familiar blue skies would be replaced by a perpetual twilight, as dust and debris blot out the sun's light. Section 4. Extremes of light and dark. With the Earth no longer rotating, day and night would become meaningless concepts. One half of the planet would be bathed in perpetual sunlight, the other shrouded in an endless night. The consequences of this extreme temperature differential would be devastating. The sun-facing side would experience scorching heat, turning once fertile lands into barren deserts. Lakes and rivers would evaporate, and vegetation would wither and die. Conversely, the side facing away from the sun would be plunged into a perpetual deep freeze. Temperatures would plummet to unimaginable lows, far colder than anything ever experienced on Earth. Oceans would freeze over, and the land would be locked in a glacial grip. Life, as we know it, would struggle to survive in these extreme and unforgiving conditions. Section 5. A thought experiment. Of course, the scenario we've just explored is highly unlikely. The forces required to stop the Earth's rotation are almost unimaginable. It would take an impact from an object the size of a planet to even have a remote chance of achieving such a catastrophic event. And even then, the chances of such a collision happening are astronomically small. But even though it's a thought experiment, it serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance that makes life on Earth possible. Our planet's rotation, often taken for granted, is a fundamental part of our existence. It's a reminder that we are part of a much larger cosmic dance, one that has been playing out for billions of years. By understanding the delicate balance of our planet, we can better appreciate its fragility and the importance of protecting it for future generations.